Delicious coffee mocha punch recipe, perfect for any occasion. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're brewing up something truly special, a coffee mocha punch that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a brunch, a cozy gathering with friends, or just treating yourself to a decadent drink, this recipe is sure to impress. So, let's dive right in. Ingredients. 1 cup of strong brewed coffee. 1 cup of milk, you can use any type of milk you prefer. 1/2 cup of chocolate syrup. 2 tablespoons of sugar, adjust to taste. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ice cubes. Whipped cream, optional, for garnish. Chocolate shavings, optional, for garnish. Instructions. First, start by brewing a cup of strong coffee. You want it to be robust to really bring out that coffee flavor. Once your coffee is ready, let it cool down to room temperature. Now, in a large pitcher, combine the cooled coffee with milk, chocolate syrup, sugar, and vanilla extract. Give it a good stir until everything is well combined and the sugar has dissolved. Next, add in some ice cubes to chill the punch. This will also help to dilute it slightly and make it extra refreshing. Give it one final stir to make sure all the flavors are perfectly blended together. Now, all that's left to do is pour our coffee mocha punch into glasses. For an extra touch of indulgence, top each glass with a dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. Trust me, it takes this drink to a whole new level of deliciousness. And there you have it, our irresistibly creamy and decadent coffee mocha punch is ready to be enjoyed. Whether you're sipping it on a lazy Sunday morning or serving it up at your next gathering, this drink is sure to be a crowd pleaser. Cheers! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes like this one. Until next time, happy sipping! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.